Hey friends, it's Lisa Mason Ziegler, and this is your Friday heads up to invite you for our live show that's happening at 12 o'clock today. And there's a lot going on behind me, y'all. Today we are sharing how folks can take those grocery store bouquets that we know that are just going to be flying off the shelves because none of us have flowers, right? Most of us don't. How you can revive them, make them last longer, make them look better. So join us today inside the app for the Gardener's Workshop live shopping show. And Susie Q is going to be sharing some of her tips and how to make those little bouquets look so much better. And some great companion gifts, right? I mean, to give them a bouquet along with something that maybe it's going to be for them to plant seeds that they'll have bouquets all summer, right? Anyway, so join the show today. If you don't have our app, just go over to the app, your phone's app store, and search Gardener's Workshop. Download the app and meet me at 12 noon Eastern Time inside the app. You can watch it on social media, but friends, there are so many more features, and you can communicate and talk to the other viewers, and you want to be included on the giveaway. I am giving away today a $25 store credit. That means to one lucky person, they are going to go to their cart after I pull their name and find $25 credit waiting for them. So you want to check that out. And so we have gone to the grocery store and bought some bouquets, and we're going to be sharing our tips and mine and Suzanne's very favorite home base, which is a gravy boat, y'all. Come and see what we do with that, because everybody's got a gravy boat. Few people make gravy anymore. We do around here, but we also use it for other things. So join me at 12 noon Eastern Time. It is a big old Valentine's Day, Palentine's, Galentine's Day, and we'll be talking about all that too, y'all, right? All right, friends, meet me at 12 noon inside the app, and I hope you're the lucky winner that's going to win $25. Ciao.